Good morning. All right, again, here we go. Next thing, finding x and y intercepts. Remember, the y-intercept is 0, comma, whatever the y value is, and the x-intercept is x, comma, whatever x, comma, 0. It's whatever the x value is, comma, 0. My apologies. Remember, just quick for review. There's the y-intercept. This value is 0, comma, y, and this right here is the x-intercept. This is x, comma, 0. The y is always 0 at every single x-intercept, and the x is always 0 at every y-intercept. So, now that we know that, first things first, I'm going to do 3 examples, all right? And I got just an easy way to think through this. Just think the concept, okay? Don't make this harder than it has to be, okay? First things first, I got something written in slope-intercept form, okay? So I'm going to take that, and I am going to, well, this one's easy. For number 1, I can clearly see what the y-intercept is because that's the b, whatever the b is. So the y-intercept happens to be, and my y-intercept is written as 0, comma 6. Now, we got to solve for my x-intercept if it's written like this. So if that's the case, to solve for my x-intercept, I got to replace y with 0. Okay, so I'm going to do 0 equals, we can all see this, yes. 0 equals 1/2 x plus 6, and now we're just basically solving. Subtract 6 from both sides, negative 6 equals 1/2 x. I'm not going to divide both sides by half, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal because that gets rid of the 1/2. 1/2 times 2 is 1, which is the goal, so negative 12 equals x. That's my x-intercept. So your x-intercept is written as negative 12, comma 0. There is your first one. Pause me for any kind of notes you want to take. I'm going on to the next one right now. Now, these next two are written in standard form, and I don't want you guys to do more work than you have to because it's not necessary to rewrite this into slope-intercept form, then do it. Again, remember, for the y-intercept, replace x with 0 and solve for y. So when you take this, 2x plus 8y equals 4. You're literally replacing x with 0. So replace x with 0. Watch how easy you can make this for yourself. Okay, remember the concept. This cancels off. So 8y equals 4. Divide by 8. Divide by 8. Your y-intercept for that is going to be 0, comma 1/2. 4 over 8 reduces to 1/2, not 2. Okay, so there's that. So now again, if I want to find my x-intercept, replace 0 with y. Like it says right here, and then find the x. So 2x plus 8 times 0 equals 4. 8 times 0 is 0. 2x equals 4 divided by 2, top and bottom. X equals 2. So your x-intercept is going to be 2, comma 0. It's as basic as that. Pause me, take notes. That's a 0, not a 6, by the way. Last one but not least, number 3. Number 3 says 6x minus 3y equals 12. Well, let's just go in and do it. Okay, so let's do the same way we did it before. Find the y-intercept by replacing x with 0. So 6 times 0, that's a minus 3y equals 12. Well, that cancels off. So negative 3y equals 12. Divide both sides by negative 3. And y equals negative 4. So the y-intercept is going to be 0, comma, negative 4. And to solve for the x-intercept, replace y with 0. So 6x minus 3 times 0 equals 12. This cancels. 6x equals 12. Divide by 6. X equals 2. So the x-intercept is going to be 2, comma 0. All right. Now I'm going to go right into standard form to slope-intercept form. Even though we've been kind of doing that, I just want to give some more explicit instruction on that. Here we go. And I'm going to use these 2 examples right here to write them into slope-intercept form. Okay? So, remember, slope-intercept is y because I'm supposed to be. So I'm going to, when doing this, I got to take my 2x plus 8y equals 4. And I need to move this into y equals mx plus b. So, I've got to move this guy over here, and this is a positive 2x, so I subtract 2x from both sides. All right, 8y equals negative 2x plus 4. And now the last thing I have to do is divide by 8 on both sides to get this y all by itself. And negative 2 over 8 reduces to a negative 1/4 x. 4 divided by 8 equals plus 1/2. Okay? And then my last one I'll just do right over here on this guy right here. Now remember, I don't add 6x to both sides because this is negative. This is a positive 6x, so I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides. And I'm left with a negative 3y equals negative 6x plus 12. Now be aware of these negative numbers because you're going to see it on the test. Divide both sides by negative 3, so I get y equals negative 6 over negative 3 reduces to a positive 2x minus 4. Okay? That is good review for some stuff you're going to see.